everyone, I'm Adhya Kasamsetty. I'm a sophomore at Comlabs High School, and I joined UIC earlier this year. The reason I joined UIC is because I've had a little bit of teaching experience before. I've taught at a couple my dance school. I've also taught at a couple summer camps. Very kind of like an informal thing, just a couple of things. And I really just like teaching stuff. I just really liked talking to kids and teaching them skills, and it was just a really fun experience for me. And I wanted to continue it, and that's how I found UIC. It's just this program where I could do what I was doing at other places and turn it into more of a regular thing, and kind of just have a broader reach of kids who are like really passionate or wanting to learn about these specific topics that I was teaching. It just sounded like an amazing program. So I joined, and I actually started my first workshop. It's the video editing and graphic design workshop. I'm still continuing doing it. We're almost at the end, and it's been an amazing experience so far. I've absolutely loved teaching. It's been, very much a success. There's a lot of kids who are genuinely really interested in this and want to learn more about it. And it was just so great to be able to pass down my knowledge and help these kids who, remind me of me just like a couple of years ago, kind of passionate about this topic and, ready to learn. So it was really, really great to teach them. They're ready to learn. It's a great feeling just knowing that you're helping them as well. The other thing for myself too, I loved just teaching itself. And I think really just this workshop kind of validated my own experience and skills. Kids, my students would question me and ask me questions and all these type of things. So I learned more about this craft as well. I think it also definitely gave me a lot more leadership experience and developed my leadership skills a lot more, gave me some teaching skills, and helped me time management wise. A lot of great things I think has come out of this entire experience. But just overall, I think it was a great experience. It was a great opportunity for me just to be able to teach something I was passionate about and pass it on to people who would need and want this knowledge, as well as just to master my own skills and gain new ones. So if you would like to learn more about this effort and join our community either as a learner or a student, please visit designyourcareers.org.